Drag the letter Y to the rabbit. Drag the letter Y to the rabbit. Good work! You dragged the letter Y to the rabbit. Give the letter Y to Olo. Give the letter Y to Olo. Awesome! You gave the letter Y to Olo. Trace the lowercase letter Y. Cool beans! Trace the uppercase letter Y. Great! You traced the letter Y. All of these things start with the Y sound. Tap them all and listen to the Y sound at the beginning.
Yak, yawn, yarn, yo-yo.
Keep it up. Give all the things that start with the Y sound to Sandy.
Yak, egg,
Oops,
yarn,
that doesn't start with the
yo-yo.
Yay! You found them. Spell the word
Y.
Keep up the good work. Drag the letter Y to Rhea. Drag the letter N to Peck.
Y.
Nice! Give the letter Z to Peck.
Z, z, z.
Good work! You gave the letter Z to Peck. Put the hat with the letter Z on the penguin.
Z.
Nice work! Put the ice cream with the letter Z on the
Z.
Super! Give the ball with the letter Z to the seal.
Z.
Super duper! Trace the lowercase letter Z. Sweet! Trace the uppercase letter Z. Great! You traced the letter Z. All of these things start with the Z sound. Tap them all and
Zipper.
listen to the Z sound at the beginning.
Zebra, zebra, zipper.
That's right. Drag all the things that start with the Z sound to the rabbit.
Zebra,
Woohoo!
zebra,
Woohoo!
zipper.
Woohoo!
Zipper.
Woohoo!
Nice work. You found them. Drag the letter Y to Sandy. Drag the letter Z to Olo.
Y, 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 y. Z, z, y.
Yay!